Why'd you drop it right there?
What's your name?
Why are you asking me? I don't need to tell you my name.
It's like that, huh?
Yeah, it's like that.
Okay, bro,
Who are you?
got it, man.
Who are you?
You fucking got it,
Who
pal.
are you?
None of your fucking business.
Oh,
Who are
really?
you? Who are
Really? You're
you?
dropping stuff by my door?
You don't want you. Oh, I'm sorry I did that, man.
I saw you do it on purpose, man.
I did it on purpose. You know why? Because it's going to be stored in that door. Hold on a second. Marty, you're my witness. I want Susan up here right now. I'm sick of your shit, bud.
Sick of my stuff.
You're goddamn right.
You with the marijuana smell every day.
Yeah, you're the one who turns me in. You got fucking proof.
Turned
bud?
you in.
You got proof?
Turned you
You
in.
got proof?
That's 3 witnesses.
You 3 witnesses shit. Get it on phone or record me, then you can do something.
Well,
bud.
why would I need proof unless it existed?
I'm going to tell you what. Get your proof, okay? You did the same thing to fucking Sam, bud.
Who's Sam?
You're going to find out real fast.
I did nothing to Sam.
You're going to find out real fast.
I did absolutely nothing
You
to
hear
Sam.
this son of a bitch over here pester me about my stuff, Marty? You're my witness.
Yep.
Okay?
All right.
You're in trouble, bud.
All right, that's cool, man.
You're goddamn right it is.
You look really irate.
You're a joke to me, pal. You're a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is that why you smoking pot every day?
Yeah,
Stinking
you're
up our
a
apartment?
joke. You got proof? You got proof, big boy?
Oh, is that what I need?
You got proof, big boy?
I need proof,
Huh?
huh?
You're goddamn right you do. You got proof here?
I need proof.
Susan,
No.
can you do me a favor?
All I
Get
need
up
to
here
do is
307
report-
Right now.
all I
got
need to
this
do
guy
is
harassing me,
report-
and I'm not taking it.
Odors. That's
You
it.
know, you know what? She's coming right now, bud. You
Okay,
can talk to
that's
her.
great.
Come on
That's
up here, Susan. I'm waiting on you. It's 307. He's harassing me about my stuff I'm trying to put in the closet up here.
Oh,
He
brother.
came out of his apartment just to harass me.
Look at it, it's
And
in the
I got
closet.
this Marty right here.
It's a broken
Now, he was
broom.
Flipping me. You need to get up here, Susan. Right now. Okay. Thanks. She's on her way, pal. And we're going to wait right here for her.
Nope, I'm going to my apartment.
Well, I got news for you. When she knocks on the door, open the door. Okay?
Yeah, all right, sure thing.
All right. You got it with you.